Good morning. So it's the day after Halloween and we are going to get this house in order and take down all the Halloween stuff because I've officially moved on to Christmas and I think you have to. So welcome back to this week's video. Halloween is officially over, and as much as I am sad about it, I am also happy to just move on. I am so ready to get the Halloween stuff out of the house and just reset everything and get ready for the holiday season ahead. Show me your candy bucket. Wow. Did you have fun at Halloween yesterday?
Yes, I got lots of candy.
Wow. What were you for Halloween?
Four.
Toy? And what was Dad?
Loki.
What about Mama?
Black Wheel.
Oh, and baby sister?
Hulk.
She was the Hulk? That's silly.
That's a lot of Avengers.
A lot of Avengers. What do the Avengers say?
The Avengers December.
Avengers December. Hi. Buenos dias, Nora. Did you have a good Halloween? Did you have a good Halloween? Were you the Hulk? You were the Hulk? Yeah. You look so silly, Mama. Alright, that's enough procrastinating. But we really did have a great time on Halloween. This was Wyatt's second time going trick-or-treating, and he had a blast. He absolutely loves it. I think he wore a different costume every day in the month of October, or at least wore his Thor costume about 20 times. He loves dressing up. It was just so much fun to see him running around and being so happy. And Nora's outfit was absolutely hysterical. I just made it up with some clothes that I found in Walmart, and made her into a little baby She-Hulk, and I couldn't stop laughing. So I'm always so torn when it comes time to taking down the Halloween decorations, because on one hand, I absolutely love Halloween and I love to decorate the house and have everything out. It has to be like my favorite holiday, but I am also the type of person that will decorate so early. So usually like the first week of September, I want to start throwing things up. But by the time that we have our Halloween party, in my head, like, Halloween is over. So I want it all gone, like, immediately. And it drives my husband crazy because I'll try to start, like, taking things away and packing them up. But I'll try to do, like, little things that he won't notice just to see. But he always catches me and he ends up putting everything back where it was. So every year we do the same thing. I never learn. Good morning. You got your leche? Good morning. So it's actually the next day, and we got everything pretty much rounded up and put into the dining room table, but I'm just waiting for Ryan to pull down the boxes that are in the attic so that we can actually get everything packed up and put upstairs. That's the best part. So he just ran out to grab a couple of things because today is Sunday and we're gonna have a couple of friends over and make some pizzas, and I got a spinach artichoke dip that I'm gonna make in the crock pot.
Sunny.
Oh yeah, your friend Sunny is gonna come over?
Yeah.
Yeah. So much fun. So we got that going on. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning up in the kitchen while he's gone. if you're looking for something super quick and delicious for your football Sundays, I highly suggest you give this dip a try. It's literally just a bunch of things that you throw in the crock pot, and in about an hour and a half, it's all set and ready for you to enjoy. So I pretty much just looked up a bunch of different recipes on Pinterest, and then I just kind of eyeballed my own thing here. So I'll try to put a recipe together down below, but really I just did a whole bunch of eyeballing. That's my kind of method of cooking. So I'm sorry if you're looking for exact measurements. It's going to be more of an approximation, but it turns out great. And honestly, I don't think you can mess it up. Nora was super interested in what I was doing here. And honestly, can you blame a girl? Who doesn't love a good dip? Okay, there it is. There it all is. We got the pillows, extra pumpkins, cauldrons, witch stuff. Over here, all the frames, more stuff that didn't fit, lights, books, all the Halloween plates. All the Halloween plates. Yeah, there it is. See you in another year. Let's talk about fall. Are we going to do fall or go right into Christmas? So I always do some sort of Thanksgiving decor after Halloween, but something about this year where Christmas is just kind of calling my name, and I'm just going to lean into it. I think I'm just going to go full on Christmas. We have a Christmas village that was gifted to us from Ryan's family, and I'm just really kind of looking forward to putting that up this year and having a nice little cozy nostalgic Christmas with the kids. So yeah, that'll be the next project in the decorating process, is getting all the Christmas stuff down. But thank you so much for watching this video and helping me get all of this sorted out and out of the house. Stay tuned for more Christmas stuff to come, I guess. And here's that dip. It was so good. Bye.